In primetime news this evening, requirement removed. Revelation that experience in law enforcement was cut from FID job advertisement.
Do not panic, advice to Jamaican students following U.S. pause on visa appointments for international students.
And West Indies group of university teachers announce industrial action. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now, a little later on in the financial week, the Development Bank of Jamaica announces the launch of the Caribbean Front Desk platform.
And Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Anthony. Well, the West Indies women lost the first one-day international against England today. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking what more can local universities do to position themselves as an attractive alternative to studying abroad?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.